Hello learners, welcome to my channel Aryan Arya Academy. Today we are going to learn on a relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of polynomials. In this topic, discuss linear polynomials, zeros and coefficient relationship, quadratic polynomials, relationship between zeros and coefficient, and related to the sum problems. So now first the zeros of linear polynomials. A real number k is said to be zero of the polynomial px if pk equal to 0. For example, if k is a 0 of px is equal to 2x plus 3, then pk equal to 0. Give us 2k plus 3 equal to 0, that is k equal to minus 3 by 2. यहाँ पे अगर px एक लीनियर पोलिनोमियल्स कंसीडर किए और k कोई रियल्स नंबर कंसीडर किए, अगर वो k का वैल्यू px में रिप्लेस करने पे उसका कैलकुलेशन 0 फाइंड आउट होता है, तो जो k का वैल्यू होगा वो उस पोलिनोमियल्स का 0 कहलाएगा. इन जनरल, if k is a 0 of px, ax plus b, then pk is equal to ak plus b, that is k equal to minus b by a. So the zeros of the linear polynomial ax plus b is minus b by a. अब in general form px ax plus b is a general form of linear polynomial, or find the zeros of the this polynomial. तो this linear polynomial or zeros of the linear polynomials, a relation between find minus b is a minus b is a constant. Here b is a constant, and a is a coefficient of x. So minus b by a is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of x. So this is the relation between coefficient and zeros. Zeros is this, and constant term and coefficient of x. So this is the in linear polynomials relation between these zeros and coefficients. Thus the zero of linear polynomials is related to its coefficient. In general, for a linear polynomial ax plus b, a not equal to 0, the graph of linear polynomial ax plus b is a straight line which intersect the x-axis at exactly one point. That points is knowing minus b by a and 0. Therefore, the linear polynomial ax plus b, a not equal to 0, has exactly 1 zeros. The x-axis intersect only one point. That points is called zeros of the linear polynomials. In graphically represent like this. In previous classes already discussed about the uh, geometrical representation of linear polynomials. So in this geometrically represent linear polynomials as a straight line intersect x-axis at one point, or that intersecting point of the x-axis is known as zeros of the polynomial. Now discuss the zeros of quadratic polynomial. In general, if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0, then we know that alpha and beta are 0, that is x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factor of given quadratic polynomial. That means that this are the factor of this polynomial. Now derivation of the formula, ax square plus bx plus c, this is the quadratic polynomial or product of this polynomial, so multiply on both sides is equal to this. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta, where k is any constant, is equal to k. अब ये दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करने पे एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई के ऑल टर्म्स, देन वी गेट के एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस के इंटू अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस के अल्फा इंटू बीटा. Now comparing on the both side, coefficient of x square, x and constant term on both side, we get this x square of coefficient a and this x square is coefficient of k, that is a equal to k. Another x coefficient of x is b and coefficient of in this x is minus k into alpha plus beta, that is this relation. And comparing on constant x c, and this is the constant terms, that is c is equal to k alpha into beta, getting c is equal to k alpha into beta. Now sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, because here in this expression b is equal to minus k into alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta is equal to b by minus k, or k is equal to a, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a relation between coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, minus b coefficient of x and divided by a, that is coefficient of x square. So this is the relation between zeros and coefficient. The sum of zeros is getting that minus b by a is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, here is getting c is equal to k alpha into beta, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by k, or k is equal to 1, that is c by a. So product of zeros getting c by a, that is c is a constant or a is a coefficient of x square, that is relation between uh, product of zeros is equal to c by a is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. In another words, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c a not equal to 0 has zeros alpha beta, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, that is x square minus sum of zeros of and multiple of x plus product of zeros. This is the relation between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomials. Geometrical representation of quadratic polynomials in previous class already discussed, but today is showing that a greater than 0 के केस में ग्राफ intersect two points of x axis. These 2 points is 0 of the quadratic polynomials. Now in this case graph is intersecting at only one point, that is touching of x axis, that is in this case only 1 zeros, and another in this case graph no intersecting of x axis, so in this case graph having no any zeros. Now discuss about the problems, relation between zeros and coefficient. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square plus 9x plus 20 and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Verify the relation between coefficient and zero. In the given quadratic polynomial x square plus 9x plus 20, अब इसको अगर हम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे मिडिल स्प्लिट मेथड से, तो x plus 4 into x plus 5, this is the factor of the given quadratic polynomial. So the value of x square plus 9x plus 20 is 0 if x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. That is x, in this case x is minus 4 and x is equal to minus 5. Therefore the zeros of x square plus 9x plus 20 are minus 4 and minus 5. That is zeros of this given zeros of the given polynomials. And relation between zeros, the sum of zeros, that is two given two zeros, this minus 4 plus minus 5 getting minus 9 is equal to also represent minus 9 divided by 1. In this given polynomials, coefficient of x is 9, coefficient of x square, that is 1, and constant is 20. So relation between minus 9 divided by 1 represent as is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So in this sum of zeros we getting relation between minus 9 by 1, that is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Similarly, product of zeros given find out the zeros product of these zeros. Minus 4 into minus 5 getting 20. 20 represent like 20 by 1, that is 20 is a constant term, 1 is a coefficient of x square. So in this given question, relation between zeros and coefficient, verified this, the sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Similarly, product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now, another question is that find a quadratic polynomial. The sum and product of zeros are 7 and 10 respectively. That is, in this question, sum of zeros is 10, 7, and product of 0 is 10. Given any sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, तो फाइंड आउट करना है कि what is the form of quadratic polynomials. Now let us consider that a quadratic polynomials in generally ax square plus bx plus c, where it is zeros alpha and beta. According to question, alpha plus beta is equal to 7, or in relation between, we know that sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. So another product of zeros alpha into beta given is 10. Relation between product of zeros c by a, that is constant term, or divided by coefficient of x square. So in this given conditions, if a is equal to 1, then b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 10. Because 10 is equal to 10 को हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं 10 by 1, that is c by a, और c is equal to 10, तो a equal to 1. Similarly 7 को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं 7 by 1, that is b is minus b is equal to 7, that is b is equal to minus 7, और a is 1. So we know that in previous classes, in given discussion, during discussion already हम discuss about this कि x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, that is x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. So accordingly, given question, x square minus sum of zeros is 7, that is x square minus 7x plus product of zeros is 10, that is given condition and given question, we find a quadratic polynomial is in given condition x square minus 7x plus 10. This is the required quadratic polynomials in given condition and questions. So today discuss about the relation between zeros and coefficient and some related problems. So okay, thanks all learners. Now